Stop wasting hours trying to get traffic. Productivity Kickstart shows you how to pull in free traffic using simple YouTube shorts without filming, without showing your face, and without any editing skills. If you've ever said, I don't know how to make videos or get views, this solves it. Here's the short version. Productivity Kickstart is legit, beginner-friendly, and fast to implement. You can set it up in under an hour, even if you failed before with YouTube or affiliate marketing. And yes, you can do it without recording a single video. Full demo coming up, and if you use the link below, you'll get my premium bonus bundle worth over $2,000. Productivity Kickstart is a step-by-step training and toolset that teaches beginners how to get free traffic from YouTube Shorts. You learn how to find the right niche, grab ready-made video assets, and publish short-form content that pulls in views and clicks without showing your face. This is for brand new affiliate marketers, people with 0 followers, no email list, and no ad budget. If you've tried posting random videos and nothing worked, this method gives you a repeatable system instead of guesswork. You learn what to upload, when to upload, and how to monetize fast. Now let me walk you through the dashboard so you see how simple it is. When you log into Productivity Kickstart, you'll see the main modules on the left. Each module is short and beginner-friendly. Module 1 shows you how to pick a niche that actually gets views. Module 2 gives you the method for creating high-retention shorts using free tools. Next, you'll see the template section. These are plug-and-play scripts and video layouts you can copy and paste. You don't need to write anything from scratch. Then there's the traffic section. This teaches you how to optimize your titles, tags, and metadata so YouTube pushes your shorts to the right audience. You'll also see the monetization section, which shows you how to plug in affiliate links and conversion boosters. Everything is delivered inside a clean, step-by-step interface. You just follow the videos and implement as you go. If you choose to upgrade, here's what you can expect. OTO1 is a done-for-you content pack. You get pre-made videos, scripts, thumbnails, and niche templates. This is for people who want to upload immediately without creating anything, usually around the $37 range. OTO2 is the advanced automation system. It shows you how to scale your channel and upload multiple shorts per day using simple tools. This is designed for people who want faster results, priced around $70 to $80. OTO3 is the coaching upgrade. You get weekly calls, personal support, and accountability. If you want guidance and faster scaling, this is the best option, usually around $37 again. None of the upgrades are required, but they speed up the process and reduce the work time. When you get Productivity Kickstart through the link below, you'll unlock my exclusive bonus bundle instantly. Bonus 1, YouTube Shorts Traffic Blueprint. Learn how to drive unlimited organic traffic using short-form videos. Bonus 2, Thumbnail Swipe File. 50 proven thumbnail designs you can copy without design skills. Bonus 3, AI Shorts Script Generator. Generate unlimited video scripts with a single click. Bonus 4, Affiliate Offer Finder System. Find high-converting offers without digging through junk products. Bonus 5, Fast Start Money Map. A simple roadmap showing you what to do daily for consistent results. Bonus 6, Viral Hook Templates. 20 hooks you can copy for higher retention and more views. Bonus 7, Conversion Boosting End Screen Templates. Pre-made end screen templates to increase clicks. Bonus 8, Social Proof Booster Pack. Tools and templates that increase trust and buyer confidence. Bonus 9, Keyword Booster for Shorts. A cheat sheet of keywords that drive views faster. Bonus 10, DFY Tracking Sheet. Keep track of uploads, performance, and growth automatically. You get all 10 bonuses inside the members area after purchase. They're only available for the first 25 buyers or until the next 48 hours, whichever comes first. Here's the final verdict. Productivity Kickstart is a smart shortcut for beginners who want free traffic without filming videos. It removes the tech stress, the camera fear, and the guesswork. If you follow the steps, you can start posting shorts today. But remember, the bonuses are limited. Once the timer expires or all 25 spots are taken, they're gone. Click the link below now to lock in your copy and secure all bonuses before the deadline. If you found this review helpful, hit like, drop a comment, and subscribe for more honest reviews. After purchasing Productivity Kickstart, just check your receipt page or email for instant bonus access. Click the link below now, and I'll see you inside the members area.